Hello and welcome to the Day Tradester. This is a channel where I show you the trades I make every day. So you can choose to follow me if you like. So today is a good day largely in part because Nvidia is going up, and Nvidia is going up largely in part due to Taiwan Semiconductor. This morning, Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM is their ticker symbol. They had their earnings report and they had a blowout revenue for this past quarter. And because Nvidia is going up, it's pulling the rest of the market with it just to continue this wonderful bull market. So if you're following me, get ready for the ride because we're going to be in a bull market for a while. Before we get into my daily trades, if you could please like, subscribe, and get notified, that would be amazing. Help get our videos out there for more people to see and for more people to sell and buy stocks with us. So I've been spending a little time trying to work on our social media access. I've put a little bit of work into a Facebook page. That would be the Day Tradester, Facebook the Day Tradester. And this morning I created an X account. That would be the Day Tradester as well. So check us out on both. Don't expect too much right now. I spend more time learning how to work the YouTube and Clipchamp, how to make and edit the videos. So it'll take a while before I get proficient with both Facebook and X. But the plan is shortly to not only post to YouTube, but to post the videos as well to both of those social media sites. So please check us out on both and follow us on both. Again, that'll help our reach and our ability to help other people make money in this crazy industry of trading stocks. If you're new or if you have been following us and you've decided to copy some of the trades that we made and you made some money, please reach out in the comment section. Let me and other people know that the information I'm giving is accurate, the information that I'm giving is good, and it's going to be helpful for you, or it is helpful for you, and it was helpful for you. If you have any questions or if there's anything that you'd like me to expand on from my previous dialogue for the last 2 weeks about new traders, people jumping into the market and or being apprehensive about jumping the market, but you want to make the leap or you did make the leap, again, just reach out into the comments and let us know. So today we had 24 stocks reach their triggers for sell. They're sell triggers, but we are actually going to only sell 19 of them, and we have a total of 24 stocks that reach their purchase triggers, and we are definitely purchasing 18 of them, and I might purchase one more, but we'll see at the see how things work out money wise. Right now we're sell all the stocks so we can increase our balance so we can purchase as many of the stocks that were triggered for purchase as possible. So this is LMB, Limbach Holdings. They are a company that works with building owners to design, manufacture, install, and maintain electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems, again with building owners, so like skyscrapers and large businesses. This is Lockheed Martin. We're going to go ahead and sell Lockheed Martin. We've made a little bit of money over the last several weeks. There might be a little bit of downturn while Netanyahu decides what type of attack that he's going to pursue on Iran. I'm expecting Lockheed Martin and other defense contractors to level off for a little bit until Netanyahu makes a decision on how he's going to move forward. Trigger was indicated for sale, so if it does level off, we could put that money to use elsewhere. This is PLTR is Palantir. They are a defense company, and most retail traders believe that Palantir is going to do extremely well with a huge growth expectation over the next couple of years. Smart money, which is Wall Street, they don't have as much faith in Palantir as retail, but time will tell. Smart money was certainly wrong about GameStop a couple of years ago, so maybe Palantir will be able to do what GameStop did. Although since GameStop, Wall Street has changed their the way they short companies. So that won't happen again. At least they think it won't. Of the 135 stocks that I trade every day, Teladoc has been the worst performer for the year for me. So I'm really hoping this is the beginning of a nice upward move for Teladoc. This is our last stock to sell. Targa supplies liquid and natural gas to various markets. So we're finished with our sells. So it's now time to buy our stocks that hit the triggers. So really quickly again, if you can like, share, and subscribe, that would really help us reach more people. You know, I enjoy everything that I've learned about trading stocks and everything in this industry. It has been eye-opening. It's been maddening. It's created extreme joy. There have been times I've walked through the house yelling and screaming at a big loss that I had just had. I took some pretty sizable losses. At the beginning of the year, I was working a different strategy. I was working on creating this particular strategy at the time, but I hadn't been consistently profitable. I'm consistently profitable now, so I don't make the large gambles, if you will, on and putting a lot of money into one particular stock and trying to predict the direction. That was that was a little bit of day trading, and I was successful at that for quite a while. But then something turned, and I had a bad run. So the reason I'm telling you this is that even though I am successful now, I'm not an expert. I'm just your average guy who is successful, and I want to show you what I'm doing so you can be more successful and have far fewer losses, whether you're experienced or especially as a beginner. I had no mentor. I didn't have anybody that I can look to or lean on. I leaned heavily on YouTube videos, and even though they were informative, they weren't actually consistently useful. They certainly weren't useful at following their trades. I couldn't find anybody who actually showed their trades. They all wanted me to pay for a subscription to follow them, and if they're not willing to show their trades, as far as I'm concerned, to gain our business, then they're probably not even a good trader to begin with. So I'm showing you my trades. I don't want you to get frustrated at some losses that you might have. I don't want you to get frustrated that there's nobody online who can actually show you what to do and eventually teach you credibly. I try to be as accurate as I can be when I'm providing some of the information, because I had learned through other videos that some of the creators, they weren't accurate. Their information that they gave was wrong. Just on basic definitions, they were incorrect. So I want you to be successful, because the more people that are actually in the markets, the better we'll all do. The more people that are there buying stocks presents an opportunity to create more people that are willing to sell their stocks, or vice versa. The more people that are willing to sell, the more people that it might be willing to buy. And then as we all buy and sell stocks as retail traders, maybe we could teach what they call smart money, the big guys on Wall Street. Maybe we could teach them something. Maybe we can all learn something that'll teach them that their particular opinions and the way that they look down at the retail trader might just end up biting them in the ass. I personally have a lot to learn. If you're an experienced trader and you're watching my video, reach out to the comments, follow me, and I'll follow you, and I'll be all ears to whatever you might have to teach me, to show me. Just let me know what I'm doing wrong, where I can make improvements. Any improvements I can make will certainly be helpful for any new people who are watching my videos and learning. So this is XLF. After this, we've got 3 more stocks to purchase, and then I'll show you the my sell and buy lists, and eventually I'll take a look to see if I'm interested in buying one of the other stocks that were triggered, but I'm choosing not to buy. largely due to price. Like Bookings Holdings is one of them. They're a $4,000 stock, and as you can see, I've got just over $4,000 right now. The other is CVX. They are a gas company, and gas is not doing well right now, even though a trigger was hit. That it might be a good time to purchase. I'm looking at the overall news and making the choice not to purchase any gas stocks like Occidental or CVX, which is Chevron. And this is Zoom. So all right, so here is today's sell list. And as we go down, then here is today's buy list. Again, that was 18 stocks. We might buy one more. We're definitely not going to buy Bookings. So we also had 1, 2, 3, 4. We also had 5 stocks that were triggered to sell. I either don't own them or I didn't want to sell them. And here are the 3 stocks that were triggered to purchase. And I show you these lists so you can make the choice to purchase them or not. I want to show you everything that my indicators, which indicators were actually activated. You may choose some to like some of the stocks. So let's take a look at Melli. This is Mercado Libre. Mercado Libre is Latin America's Amazon. It's an online marketplace. So we're going to go ahead and buy it. We have enough money for that, and hopefully it looks like that they might be getting back on an upward trend, getting ready to cross both on the MACD and the moving average. It's on the chart. Just have to make it a little adjustment. I think I'm going to have to zoom in. So let's go ahead and zoom in so I can purchase that. After hours, the automatic buy and sell triggers don't actually activate. So you have to do it manually. And extended or after hours is after the market closes at 4 o'clock, and we have until 8. So hopefully I try to get my videos up before, at this point, 6. So I'm getting a little bit better at recording and editing than I was. So I've got 12 minutes left to get this up. We'll see how it goes. We're going to be close. So today was a green day. I'm making money. Hopefully if you're following me, you're making money. If you are following me, remember, I'm not an expert. You're choosing to follow me because you see that I'm profitable and you want to be profitable. So whether you're new or whether you're experienced, reach out and make some comments to me. Let's have a conversation, and thank you very much and have an amazing Thursday evening.